Oh, you don't know how to make mac and cheese?
We can make that.
Y'all heard that right there. I'm about to show y'all how to make it nice, creamy, and cheesy just like this. First, you're going to grade your cheese. I graded about 5 different cheeses. You can use whatever cheese you want. But I'm going to leave them different cheeses in the comments for y'all. When you use fresh grated cheese, your mac and cheese come out cheesy and beautiful the next day. Trust me. Boil your water with some chicken bouillon. Trust me. And stir your noodles as soon as you put them in. All right, for the root, we're going to do some butter. We're going to do some flour. And make sure you whisk as soon as you put it in to avoid clumps. And whisk good, too. And you're going to have to really flake that wrist. You're going to have to put that work in. Yeah. So do this for a few minutes till everything get a nice consistency. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika. That's all you really need. And just add some heavy cream to that. Carnation milk. Carnation milk first. I did little by little, right? And then once I added the carnation milk and little by little, it got real thick. That's when I added some heavy cream. And then boom, it's going to get loose. Then you're going to add some Dijon mustard. I was running out, but add some Dijon mustard to that. Add some cheese little by little, y'all. Little by little. Cheese little by little. And if you got to add some more heavy cream or some more carnation milk, do that. But just check, and it should have a consistency that you want it to have. See, this process is not 1, 2, 3. It's little by little. That's how I like it right there. So that's what I'm going to do. Put some sour cream on your al dente noodles when they come out the pot. Then you just mix everything in. You mix that cheese sauce that you made in with it. And you could do this in one pot too. That'll make all the noodles. Make sure you get all the noodles. Please get all the noodles. But in the pot, it's going to really make sure you get all the noodles. And you just got to make sure you work that arm and get everything in there. And look, layer it out how you want to layer it out. Get your oven set for 400. We only putting it in for 25 minutes. I'm saying you don't want to overcook the mac and you don't want to undercook it either. Trust me. But you can layer it out little by little and then put cheese on top of each layer. Or you could just mix it up in one, how I did. However you want to do it. It's your mac and cheese. You do what you want with it. That's how you want it to sound. Now, just throw a little bit more smoked paprika or whatever you want to do. Old Bay, whatever. Everybody use different methods and different seasonings, you know what I'm saying? So this is just my way I'm showing you. Now, look, on the top, you want to make sure it's fully covered. Put that thing in the oven 25 minutes on 400. And look, it's going to get like that. Then you want to put it on broil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep checking on it. And it should come out nice and brown like me. I'm out.